Hello guys, welcome to DMOX Design Creatives, where we will give you 100% empowerment on ICT solutions. So today, without much ado, I will take you through the process, or I will help you understand or know how to reduce data consumption into from your Windows 10 computer. If you're using Windows 10, you will notice that most of the times when you try to set up or you try to add some bundles into your internet or your connection, your Wi-Fi, you find that most of the times that data just depletes within no period of time. Within a very short period of time, your internet data is gone. So today I want to teach you, or I want to help you at least get to the process, know how to control the usage or minimize data consumption from your computer or from your Windows 10. So from, as you can see the screen right now, I'm on my desktop, and I have connected my internet. That's my hotspot. This is DMOX is connected. We have this option where you can go to properties, and from properties you can see the connection here. They're talking of you can decide to set your internet connection to be private or public. That one has no problem, but the issue is here. You need to set your connection to be metered. You need to set some limit, or if you have a limited data plan and want more control over your data usage, then this is the right place to be. So make this connection a metered network. Some apps might work. That's the first process that you can take. So if you want to change data, you can see this one is inactive, so you can do nothing about it. So we can change data limit settings. We can change data limit settings. So you come and you can check down here if there's anything you need to change. No, there is nothing. So you need to change data limit settings. So you go to data usage, and from data usage you can see the much internet that has been used through DMOX Wi-Fi. So this is have spent 1.5 GB. So I want to control this so that I can spend less data, so that I can spend more time doing things that I want to do. So I need to set a limit on this one. When we talk of data limit, so you have used 100% of, I had set a data limit of 1 MB limit, so I can turn off my data, my Wi-Fi connection, to save data. So this one will help you if you want to use data for a specified period of time, and then after that you just continue using. Okay, you just disconnect your connection or your internet after you set that limit. But this one won't help you much, because it will only control usage of data for a specified period of time. So you can edit data limit by editing, but the most important one is this one, background data. You will find that your computer is having some background applications running all through, like Google Chrome, Edge, and other applications are running around as you continue doing your work. So you want to control this. So restrict background data to help reduce data usage on Wi-Fi. So this Wi-Fi, so you can limit what store apps and Windows features can do in the background. So this is the point when I'm within 10% of my limit, always, never. So if you want to set your background data, you should keep this to be on always. Keep it always so that every time you use your computer, background data is not used. Then the other method of getting down to controlling our data usage is when you click on Control Alt and Delete and search for you can search for Task Manager. So from Task Manager you can see the applications that are using your internet bundles. You can see all through here these applications are using your internet. So you can change this or you can control this. You can see here, let's see on startup, you can see this one is enabled, this one is enabled, and then the startup impact is so high. That means the consumption of your net or your internet will be so high. So you can decide to disable it or you decide to leave it like that, because when you disable it, that means it won't when you start up your machine, your internet you won't be consumed, because here you can see consumption is so high. So you can also control your internet through searching for Windows update options, advanced Windows update options. So when you get to advanced Windows update options, you will find that there are some updates that are taking place. So you can pause your updates up to a specified period of time that you want. Like here I have clicked several times. You click this several times so that it takes you some months ahead until when maybe an update will take effect. So I advise you every month you can be coming here and clicking on update, because when I click on this it will take me a month further. So let's see, if I click on that, you see it has taken me some time further until this time. That is when I will do, either I will be required to do an update or I will just leave it like that, but I will need to click on this so that I can extend or defer the update that is maybe taking place. So here you can control the consumption of your internet, and then that means you defer an update that would have taken place. So that's it for and then you can also go to background data. We usually have, you can search for background data here. You can search for background apps so that you can see applications that are consuming your internet or power, or applications that are running on the background. So here you can let apps run in the background, or you can close these apps from running in the background. And by doing that, if the apps are using your internet, it will be possible that your data consumption won't be very high. So like for example, if I click on this, it will deactivate all these applications. All these applications will be deactivated, and if these applications use internet to run in your computer, then that means they won't be able to run into your computer, and that means that your internet consumption is actually reduced to a bigger extent. So here you can choose which apps you can receive information and notifications, stay up to date even when you're not using them. So here you can decide to choose not you can decide not to do a mass update, or you can decide to not to do the mass activation, but just do single activation. Just go choosing the application that maybe you feel like this one will maybe consume my internet, and then you look down, you check on other applications down. You can see maps. Maybe you won't need the maps, but still they will be using your internet. So it is always good to be checking on that. You can check on applications one after the other, so that you control your internet consumption. So I believe I have helped you keep on toes whenever you have your applications, or whenever you have some internet somewhere which is too little to be consumed in Windows 10, then you can control the consumption of such activities, and control or limit the usage of your internet in Windows 10. So thank you so much for listening to this, and I believe I have helped you a big deal, and I believe that you will be able to follow through and maybe do a few changes on your settings, so that you don't have your computer consume so much internet within a very short span of time, or maybe consuming internet that maybe you would have used it more resourcefully in other applications. So thank you for following up, and I believe you're going to apply the same case. You're going to apply this in your Windows 10. So thank you and see ya.